What's up out there? So today, if you can tell, we're working on the engine. And I'm going to show y'all. So what I've done is pulled the valve cover. No, I have pulled the intake manifold off, and all this was gunk. So pulled the lower. This is a 5.3 LS junkyard motor, whatever. So got to clean all these up because I'm going to put a new knock sensor the lower pan, the intake gaskets and everything. But right now it's kind of dirty. You see how it's done. A lot of people use different things to clean. Well, there goes that, and I'll never find that again. I normally, hang on just a second, I'm gonna get you something that I normally use. Well, lovely. Here we go. Here's a used one. So they make this nice little tool called a Rolllock Disc. Basically, this is what it is. Spins on. Basically, you hold this, you spin it off, and it comes off, and it's got a little locking mechanism. You twist it, do a quarter turn, and it's on. You can use sandpaper. You can use that emery board. You can use whatever you want, really. I have found these right here. Basically, what they do, I'm gonna lower you down here a little bit. So basically what they do is, it's like a bristle brush. And you can get, basically, these are aluminum heads. Cast iron block aluminum heads. If you used a lot of sandpaper on them, you might, gouge them, especially if they've got, these don't gouge. They work really well. For cleaning, they kind of spread out. They're soft, you can see. It's just like a hard bristle brush. So, but it works really well. And in this week's video that I'm uploading, probably Tuesday, all this was gunk. I mean, it looked bad. And it's dirty now because the one bad thing about these is as it cleans, it's spinning pretty fast and it's throwing stuff everywhere. It's all over my shirt, all over my arms, but it cleans really well. And then I use basically brake cleaner, the stuff that I've blocked off the holes getting down to where it would hit the cam. If it goes inside and it gets on the valves, if you get a good chlorinated cleaner, it evaporates, so you don't get you're not going to fill up the valve holes or anything like that. But it's one of the things that I do, and I'm actually trying a how-to video, how I clean things up. You can see I clean the front of the motor right here up. I mean, aluminum cleans up really well. I cleaned up the exhaust gaskets. It looks like somebody put a new water pump on here. Probably not going to take it off, but you know what I'm saying. For cleaning things, this is a new tool. Actually, I don't know anybody other than me that uses these, and they're awesome. So, if you clean anything, that's a good tool, especially motor-wise. And really, it doesn't even pertain. You can use these things on anything. They work great on brick. They work great on steel. Anything that needs cleaning that you don't want to gouge the surface. These are plastic. Like I said, you saw me. Look, they're bending in my hand. They work really well. So for those that are out there that are motor building or anything like that, hey, I'm just a podunk guy here in BFE, Mississippi. I try to do things, but I'm also trying to show y'all things too. These things are Rollocks. Hang on a minute, I'll get the... Ow, that hurt. All right, so these things are called the Rolllock bristle disc, and they're green. You can get them different ones for different, you know, these are a 50X, which means they're a 50, kind of like a 50 grit. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they are pricey. They don't like a lot of high speed, so if you basically if your grinder like goes 1,000,000 miles an hour, they're going to sling right off of there and break. The cool thing about these Rolllock discs is if you put too much pressure on them, they will break and they'll sling off. That's fine because you just put another one on. I've used this one for almost 2 weeks now, and you see how it is. It's actually still in fairly good shape. So just something for y'all to, you know, see, I'm gonna show y'all, see if I can show y'all how it works. One of the things that I try to do is, if I've got, you know, 1/2-inch airline, I'll drop it down and put it on one of these little curly cords you can buy at the Harbor Freight or Lowe's. I think I got this one at Lowe's. And there goes my cleaner. Anyway, guys, you know me, I'm just a squirrel in this world trying to get a nut, but I'll bounce stuff off everywhere. Anyway, I put this on basically, and what it does is I can go full bore, and it doesn't allow me to blow this thing up. But I mean, look how clean that is. See if I can get y'all in here. Look how clean that gets it. So I'll show you this on the side right here. Doesn't even have to be a gasket circle. It can just be the aluminum. Look how clean that gets. I mean, I know a motor is going to get dirty, whatever. And then anything that gets in this valley, I just vacuum out. So, y'all back. Anyway, guys, it's just something I do here at the shop. Maybe it'll help you out, maybe it won't. Just something I do. But anyway, y'all have a blessed day. Comment, like, and subscribe below. And we will see y'all later.